Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you all the different stands, phone holders or tripods that I personally use. I know when you are a beginner, when you have just started creating content, when you have just started recording stuff, you have lots of questions. Not everyone knows what all things to use, and I remember my days when I started and I used to look up on Instagram and I used to see those perfect videos and perfect pictures. I always used to wonder, how are they doing it? What are the stands they are using? How are they actually recording it? And in this video we are going to walk through that process. I personally use a wide range of supplies. They are super affordable. Super means super affordable. None of my supplies are more than I think 500. They are all under 500 and some are even less than 100. So few of them are in 70s or 80s also. So they are super cheap, they are super affordable. And if you are a beginner and if you are wondering what all things to use, then this video is specially for you. First of all, let's start with why is it important to record good videos or take good pictures? Because if you do not show the true nature of what you have created, nobody will buy it. You have to put it on some kind of social media platform to get exposure, to promote, to attract clients, to grow, and ultimately to make money. And you know how important it is to record good videos and make good reels for Instagram. Reels are one of the best ways to grow, but also they are one of the most difficult ways to create content. Because we are not content creators, honestly. We are artists. What we want to do is just paint, draw or create. And all those different transitions and video recording and video editing, this is something we are not very good at. Okay? Yes, there are some artists, they are exceptionally good. They create all those amazing, mind-blowing transitions. And dude, hats off. How are you doing it? I don't know. And I seriously admire your talent for that, but I am not in that range, and most of us artists are not. Especially when you are a beginner, you do not have that much patience, you do not have that much skills, and you do not have that much time as well. So these are some of the equipments that I will be walking you through that I personally use. You can buy them. Link to each and every product will be in the description box below, so that you don't have to worry about anything. Just watch the video. For every equipment I'm going to show you different ways of how I use and what type of videos you can create using them, and based on that you can choose if you want to go forward with that or not, right? So let's get started. First of all, I have this phone stand. This is Portronics brand, and this I think I bought for 70 rupees only. This was the one I was talking about. It's hardly of 70 or 75 rupees, in that range only. And you can see it has paint all over it because I have been using it for I think around 2 years now. So it's really good, you know, it's very sturdy. You can see it's not moving at all. It's really good. And here you can keep your phone easily. If your phone is not charged, you can also put your cable through here and it automatically, this is the empty space where your charging slot will come, and you can also use your phone for recording while it is being charged. So now imagine this stand, the different ways to use it now. This is the front. Now if you keep a phone towards yourself or with front camera on, you can use it for shots where you are facing the camera, right? Like the one where I'm making this video, I'm talking in the camera, my face is coming. So this can be used for that when the phone is facing you. Second, the phone can be facing downwards. You keep it like this. You keep the phone, camera would be towards this side, and you can use it for creating close-up shots, close-up videos of the artworks that you are creating. You can see it does not have a lot of height, so it will not be able to record the complete artwork, and it will not be able to record overhead shots or time-lapse videos. This is good for close-up shots, and you can just simply keep it slanted and it will record. The third use you can have of this is keep the phone towards yourself, and if you're watching some sort of tutorial, okay, so you can just keep it in front of you, the phone is here, the video is playing, so like a normal phone stand, you can use it for watching tutorials, watching videos, watching movies or anything else. So imagine if you are watching a tutorial on YouTube when you're trying to learn something new, you can easily keep it in front of you and then draw. It is very convenient. This is one of my personal favorites because it is one of the oldest. This is the first phone stand that I ever bought, and since then it's, you can see all parts intact. It has just got lots of paint splashes because I also take it with me to mural projects. It's really easy for me to just keep my phone and keep it somewhere in the side, and it can record the entire time lapse. So here is the first one. The second one I have is a little bit longer version of the same. So here is it. It's just in wood. Okay, it's very sturdy. You can see how thick the wood is, and this is also all covered in paint. I use this a lot. Now if you compare these two, this one is quite smaller in height and this is quite long. So that is a limitation for this one, that you cannot keep your phone on slant and record something behind it. Like here you could record behind, you could record close-up shots, but that you cannot do in this one because it restricts. The length is quite long, so it restricts the vision. This can only be used if you are reading something, or if you want to create a video, if you want to record something with your face in it, or let's say if you are an art educator, or if you want to take live sessions where you have to show your face, then this would be really useful. This again has a charging slot, so it can be used even when your phone is on charging. Now the exact link for this product I would not be able to provide. I will share link to something similar. The reason being, this is a gift from my grandfather, and I'm not sure if this would be available. I would try to find it online, but if not, I would find something similar and then I would link it in the description box. But if you ask me, my personal recommendation would be these two have the same purpose. This would be better because this is good for recording close-up shots. This has limited use. So in my personal opinion, this metallic one is a better choice. But if you want to go ahead with and have an extra, well and good. I keep both of them because I have two different phones, and whenever I'm painting a mural, I like to keep my phones at two different angles. One from left side and one from right side, and I record two videos at the same time. The reason for doing that is, one, I can create double the content if I have double device. So I get two time lapse for one mural, so that becomes two reels for Instagram. Second reason is, if by chance one of my phone is not able to capture, maybe because of storage issues, or it got discharged, or for one of my projects it happened that accidentally someone just turned my phone and I realized it after I had finished the mural. So for such mishaps, it's always good to have a backup. So I always know that even if one of my phone is not able to record because of any random reason, I would still have content, or I would still have video of that particular process. But I know that is not possible for everyone, and I'm not suggesting you to do that. I'm just saying why I keep both of them with me. Why do I have two different options when I can easily just use one? Now the third one I have is something that you should definitely buy. So if you ask me, you should buy this, and the second one would be this. You can see. So it comes in two parts, 1 and 2. So this part, you see this, it can be easily attached to the side of the table. You can loosen it, fit it at the side and just tighten it. And then it has a hole, it has a hole on the top. You can see there's a hole. So this part goes inside the hole. So now it is like this on the table. What is the benefit is, for overhead shots, you can see how flexible it is. It can easily move, it's like a crane, and you can adjust it at different angles and you can just create amazing shots. It can record from any angle, even from the top. Just put it at 90 degree and like this, and from top it would record everything, overhead shots, right? The best part is this is removable. I have attached the phone holder for now because I'm using my phone. This is the screw. I can easily loosen it, remove it, and this stand comes with a tablet holder as well. So if you want to record from your tablet, or if you want to record from a device which is wider, or if it is an iPad or something, this would still hold. It has got these strong springs all around, and this is amazing. So what I personally do with this is, this part is permanently attached on the side of my table. Okay, even if I'm not recording, I do not put it there and remove it again and again. No, it's always there. It is permanently attached to my table because see, only this part is visible on the top. Rest stays under the table. So it doesn't bother at all. Whenever I have to use it, I will attach the top. I will just insert it in the hole. I will attach the top. I will record. I will remove and keep it on the side. So you don't really have to do it again and again. It comes with a foam padding. So when you're attaching it on the table, it doesn't really leave any marks or damage your table. So even if your table is it is wooden or it is plywood, or even if it is glass, it doesn't really matter because it has the foam padding which protects the surface from getting damaged. Now the next thing I have, this is one of the most recent addition to my collection. You can see this also has paint all over it. So this is a tripod. Now this is very compact. The best feature about this is that it is really compact. It can easily fit inside your purse or any tote bag or anything, whatever you have. So if you are creating content outside home, right? Let's imagine you want to go out, you want to create a vlog, you want to record something in a park or something. This is the best. So this opens up, this part also opens up, and this is flexible. So you can easily attach your phone between this. Now it is extendable, so you can easily increase the height and fix it to your desired length. The bottom is a tripod. So if you want, you can use it like a selfie stick. You can use it like a selfie stick. Do not open the tripod. Now it's your selfie stick. You just attach your phone and you can take pictures. But you can also make it a tripod. Just open it and now it's a tripod. Another best feature about this is this button. It comes with a Bluetooth button. So imagine if you are working alone, okay, like me. When I go out to paint murals, I'm all alone. I do not have anyone to take my pictures. I do not have anyone to record my videos. So this is my savior. This is the Bluetooth button. It gets connected to the phone. Now your phone is attached here. You have kept it at the desired height, and you can easily use this button to click your pictures. You do not need anyone. So this is a savior in that terms, right? So if you ask me, I would say buy three devices. One, this is for outdoors. Second, and then third is this overhead one, right? Now I have one more thing that I use, which is this YouTube button. I'm sorry, Bluetooth button. This is a very small button. So the reason I have this is because I bought this before the tripod. I needed this button because I was getting lots of projects and I did not have anyone to take my pictures. I wanted good pictures for social media, and I came across this button, so I bought this. Later on, I felt the need to buy a tripod, and the tripod also came with a button. So now I have two buttons. But anyways, this is really good. It gets connected to Android and iOS. You can see Android and iOS. It's very handy. You can easily slip it in your pocket or your purse and you wouldn't even know it's there. This is really handy. Here is the switch. You turn it on. See, it's blinking. And then it gets connected to the Bluetooth of your device, and then you can use it for clicking your pictures. So in case you don't want to carry the tripod, you can simply just carry the button. But you don't have to buy it separately if you are buying the tripod. But in case you don't need the tripod, you can simply just get the Bluetooth button. But I would personally recommend you, if you are an artist and you want to take good pictures of yourself and you don't have anyone to help you out, you should get a button. Maybe in the form of tripod or maybe just the button, whatever is convenient to you. But I know how difficult it is to take your pictures when there's nobody to help you out. I have been through that phase. I used to put the camera somewhere, adjust the angle. I used to run for the countdown. I would click it and then I would go and pose. So that used to be a lot hectic, and this saves a lot of time. Within a minute, you can keep changing pose every second and you will have more than 50 pictures. So this is one of the best purchases that I have ever made. And it's not even costly. I think I got it for around 150 or 200. And I have been using it for an year now, and its battery is still working great. So these are all the devices that I use for recording my videos, and I hope it has helped you. If yes, then please make sure to comment down and let me know. If you want me to make any specific videos on other topics that you are confused about, or any topic that would help you in your journey, make sure to let me know in the comments below, and I would definitely make a video on that. Even if it is a topic that is new to me, I'm not an expert in that, I would make sure to research about it and guide you. Because I have been through that phase where nobody is there to tell you. You are a very young artist and you are all confused about what to use, what not to use. So I want to help you as much as I can, and that's why I try to keep sharing all these videos and tutorials just to guide you in the right direction. I hope this video has helped you, and make sure to like, share and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.